Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix page not found error in WordPress. Now there are a lot of categories which could be an issue. It may be a mistyped URL, so make sure you typed it correctly. Some caching issues, an issue with your DNS settings, or WordPress compatibility issues. Make sure to go through all of those. But first thing you want to do is go ahead and reset your permalinks. So to do this, you want to find WordPress settings right there. And now I want to click on permalinks. Now from here, your permalink structure might be post name. So temporarily, you want to go ahead and switch it up to any other of these. So I'm just going to switch it up to plain and save the changes. It will be a temporary option. After that, you can go ahead and switch it up. If it fixes your problem, basically you can switch it up to the old one and save the changes again. Now, there also can be a problem with your file manager, file htaccess. So we want to go ahead to your file manager, public HTML, and on your website. And after that, you want to go ahead and find this file right there. What you want to do is go ahead and rename this file. For example, let's write on old, click OK. Now you want to go ahead and copy this file, duplicate it basically. After you've done that, you want to again rename the copy to the htaccess. Click OK. And now you want to open up this htaccess new file. And what you want to do is go ahead, delete everything, and enter this code, just like so, and save it. And now you want to go ahead and check if your problem was fixed. Now, another thing you can do is go ahead to your plugins on your WordPress and look at your installed plugins. And now you want to go ahead and activate them one by one and see if they cause any problem. So if you will activate it and it will cause the problem again, you then want to go ahead and delete that plugin and of course deactivate it. If you have activated it and now you cannot access this dashboard, you can go ahead to File Manager, WP Content, to your plugins, and you just basically rename the plugin however you want, and it will disable all of the plugins and you will be able to access your WordPress. Now you can also, the last one, what you can do is go ahead and set up a redirect. So you may want to go ahead and add a new plugin which redirects your links. So for example, this one, redirection, you can go ahead and install it and activate it. As you can see, it can track this error. Now you basically just go on settings here on redirection. And now you can go ahead and enter the source URL, which is your original URL, and then the target one. And after that, you can just start the setup and it may fix your problem. So if this video was helpful, please leave a comment down below, leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.